Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So if it sounds like I have a lisp, I most definitely do. I am in the process of getting braces in the next few days, and I do have my spacers in right now, so it's a bit hard for me to talk with them, but I have to get videos out to my Glam fam, so just bear with me you guys as I make it through this video. I'd recommend not necessarily listening to my speech, but listening to the information that I'm putting out, if you get what I'm saying, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of my favorites, which is pomegranate juice. This juice is full of so many benefits, and in today's video I'm here to share them with you all and spill the juice. Fresh juice doesn't have to be green or full of spinach in order to be healthy. Pomegranate juice contains more than 100 phytochemicals. The pomegranate fruit has been used for thousands of years as medicine. Today, pomegranate juice is being studied for its many health benefits. It may help with cancer prevention, immune support, and fertility. And the biggest thing that we need right now in the world is immune support, okay? So that is definitely something that we need during this time, which is one of the reasons why I consume pomegranate juice, and I definitely recommend that you do so as well in order to boost your immune in such a critical time in the world. Now here are some of the potential benefits of pomegranate juice. First, let's start with antioxidants. Pomegranates have been eaten throughout history for their health benefits. Nowadays, the juice of this fruit is a popular part of healthy diets. Pomegranate seeds get their vibrant red hue from polyphenols. These chemicals are powerful antioxidants. Pomegranate juice contains higher levels of antioxidants than most other fruit juices. It also has 3 times more antioxidants than red wine, and also one of my faves, green tea. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice can help remove free radicals, protect cells from damage, and reduce inflammation. Next up we have vitamin C. The juice of a single pomegranate has nearly 40% your daily requirement of vitamin C. Vitamin C can be broken down when pasteurized, so opt for homemade or freshly made pomegranate juice to get the most out of the nutrient. Now one thing that I will say is I typically do not drink freshly made pomegranate juice. I drink this pomegranate juice here that I get from Amazon. This is one of my faves, you guys. So if you're not a person who typically creates your own fruit juices, this is definitely something to purchase. It is 100% made out of pomegranate juice. There are no added sugars or anything like that. And this is just 8 fluid ounces of goodness, which I definitely recommend consuming every day. I know that pomegranate juice does wonders for the body, and you know, whether you're squeezing it freshly or whether it's in this particular form, it should work good with great benefits, okay? So definitely don't worry about that if you don't like to squeeze yours freshly. What I'd recommend is just make sure that it's a pomegranate juice that is not consumed with sugar, if you get what I'm saying. You know, one of those artificial pomegranate juice, that's the type of stuff that you want to avoid. So definitely make sure that you're reading the bottle of all that you pick up, just to make sure that it is not artificially made. Now, pomegranate juice also helps with cancer prevention. Pomegranate juice recently made a splash when researchers found that it may help to stop the growth of prostate cancer cells. Despite multiple studies on the effects of the juice on prostate cancer, results are still preliminary. Now, pomegranate juice can also be helpful for Alzheimer's disease. The antioxidants found in pomegranate juice and their high concentration are believed to stall the process of Alzheimer's disease and protect memory. So definitely make sure that you consume some pomegranate juice in order to keep that memory intact. It is something that is is extremely important, and if all that you have to do is drink a little bit of juice in order to help, I definitely recommend doing so. Now, to explain a little bit more about this juice, to me it tastes quite similar to cranberry juice. So if you're a person that likes cranberry juice, you'll like pomegranate juice. If you don't like cranberry juice, I don't think you'll like this, but it is definitely worth drinking for its many health benefits. Okay, I personally love the taste of pomegranate juice, but that's because I like the taste of cranberry juice as well. So just a quick comparison between the two, that's really what this juice tastes like to me, or at least gets me kind of reminiscent of cranberry juice. Now, pomegranate juice is also great for digestion. Pomegranate juice can help reduce inflammation in the gut and also improve digestion. It may be beneficial for people with Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and other inflammatory bowel diseases. Now, as previously mentioned in this video, pomegranate juice is also anti-inflammatory. Pomegranate juice is a powerful anti-inflammatory because of its high concentration of antioxidants. It can help reduce inflammation throughout the body and prevent oxidative stress and damage. Now, pomegranate juice is also amazing for those that suffer with arthritis. Flavonols in pomegranate juice may help to block the inflammation that contributes to osteoarthritis and cartilage damage. Now, pomegranate juice also helps to fight against heart disease. Pomegranate juice is in the running as the most heart healthy juice. It appears to protect the heart and arteries. Small studies have shown that pomegranate improves blood flow and keeps the arteries from becoming stiff and thick. It may also slow the growth of plaque and buildup of cholesterol in the arteries. But pomegranate may react negatively with blood pressure and cholesterol medications. Be sure to talk with your doctor before consuming pomegranate juice for any type of health reasons. Now, pomegranate juice is also antiviral. Between the vitamin C and also other immune boosting properties like vitamin E, pomegranate juice can prevent illness and also help to fight off infection. Pomegranates have also shown to be antibacterial and antiviral in lab tests, which is something that is definitely needed during this day and age. If you need some immune system support, definitely don't hesitate to add some pomegranate juice to your day-to-day diet. It is definitely helpful during this time, and y'all know that with all that is going on in the world, you definitely want to take all precautions and try to help your health in any way that you can, and pomegranate juice is one of the many amazing ways to do so. Honey, that is why I consume my 8 fluid ounces of pomegranate juice daily. Now, pomegranate juice is also extremely vitamin rich. In addition to vitamin C and vitamin E, pomegranate juice is a great source of folate, potassium, and also vitamin K, which are all vitamins that you need to take on the day-to-day basis. Whether you decide to add pomegranate to your daily diet or just sip it every now and then, make sure to check the labels on your pomegranate juice to make sure that it is 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugars or anything like that. That is why I recommend this one in particular, because this one is 100% natural pure pomegranate juice. And a little fun fact, drinking 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily will help to improve your memory, okay? And that is what I definitely try to do, is improve my memory. And also, not only that, but I also love the other health benefits of pomegranate juice. It is so many benefits to drinking pomegranate juice. Y'all, these are just a few of them, and I am loving this juice. I love the taste of it, and I just make sure that whenever I pull one of these out of the fridge that I just shake it up, and after that it is ready to drink, you guys. I absolutely love this stuff. I guess I'll go ahead and finish it off since I'm at the end of this video. So I absolutely love pomegranate juice and all the amazing health benefits that it offers. Did you know that pomegranate juice offered all these offers? Let me know down below in the comments section. And do you consume pomegranate juice? And if not, are you planning on consuming pomegranate juice more after watching this video? Let me know down below in the comments section. And if you are interested in the pomegranate juice that I was drinking throughout this video, please check out the description box. I will have it listed down below. You can get your very own pomegranate juice delivered directly to your house to start improving your health and your overall body. And before I leave this video, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my glam star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your sweet comment and thank you for watching and supporting me. Y'all know that the support is always appreciated and my glam fam is always coming through with the support. So I want to say thank you and thank you for watching me. And if you are looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.